Okay, so I ordered coilovers for the Subie 4 days ago, and they're here. So I ordered Raceland coilovers. Yes, I know, Racelands are horrible, but they've actually gotten to be pretty good over the last few years. Their quality's gone up a lot. So I figured, why not give it a shot? They're cheap. If they suck, oh well, get BCs. But for like the $4.79 or something, it's a good deal. It's kind of hard to beat. I am kind of starting to run out of daylight because it is already like 8 o'clock. Actually, it might be a little after that. But sorry if the audio sucks. The guy across the street's mowing his yard and yelling at his kid. So if it sucks, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try and do both fronts before it gets super dark out, and then I'll just continue this video tomorrow and knock out the rears. I think I'm gonna go either 2 inches lower or 2.5. I haven't like fully decided yet, but I may just go with 2, see how it is. Let the drive it around and let the suspension settle, see where the ride height is, and then go from there. Or yeah, I'll probably just do that because I don't want to go like way too low and be destroying my fenders. So I'll shut up, get the camera set up, and we'll start pulling apart the front. Okay, so unfortunately those bolts gave me a hell of a time, so the camera doesn't do it much justice, but it's actually darker out than it looks. So everything's just kind of loosely mounted. I'm just going to throw the tire on it real quick and put it back on the ground, and we'll pick it back up in the morning. It's a new day, so now it's time to bang out the rest of the Subaru. Like I said last night, I got the one corner just kind of loosely put together, so that's all now done and tight. So now it's time to do the other 3 corners. wanted to save you guys the boring part of watching me spend a million years to sit and dial in the ride height, but I have the front done, and look how amazing it is. I didn't want to go crazy low, but I just wanted enough to tuck some tire. So the back is still stock, so I'm going to adjust those now that I know what the ride height, like the distance between the lock rings is. I can adjust the rear shocks automatically off the car to match the same ride height, and then just throw them right in the rear. But man, that looks so much better. Well, it's official, the Subie is slammed. I think I'm gonna go from an 18-inch wheel to a 17-inch wheel, just so that way I have a little more room. But I don't know, I might stick with the 18. But that's gonna do it for this video. Not too hard of an install, but it definitely took more time than it should have, and only cut my finger once, so that's pretty cool. But super happy with how it looks. I'll definitely give you guys a review of how the RACELANDS ride once I drive it. But yeah, I'm gonna call it for the day. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like down below. Make sure that you're subscribed if you aren't already. And yeah, I hope you guys have a killer day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.